Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just first open the box. This is the place for our Galaxy device. And we got here only one paper box, so here we can see the SIM eject tool, and let's just open our box. So here we got the Type-C cable and some paperwork, so the quick start guide, the empty safety guide, and the warranty card. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.